Welcome back to the Business Automation Podcast, Igniting Innovation in 3 Minutes. This series is brought to you by 3 Strand Solutions. I'm your host, Greg Dawson. This week, we're focusing on seamless business automation, and today's episode is all about smart inventory management. Efficient inventory management is crucial for any business dealing with physical products. Overseeing inventory levels, avoiding stockouts, and reducing waste are essential for maintaining profitability and customer satisfaction. Automation offers powerful solutions to enhance inventory management, making it more accurate and efficient. One of the primary benefits of automating inventory management is real-time tracking. Automated systems can continuously monitor inventory levels, providing up-to-date information on stock quantities. This real-time data allows businesses to make informed decisions about reordering and stock levels, ensuring that popular items are always available and reducing the risk of overstocking. Automation also improves the accuracy of inventory data. Manual inventory counts can be prone to errors, leading to discrepancies that can impact business operations. Automated inventory systems use technologies like barcodes, RFID tags, and IoT sensors to track products accurately as they move through the supply chain. This reduces errors and provides a precise view of inventory at all times. Moreover, automated systems can predict demand based on historical data and trends. By analyzing past sales data, these systems can forecast future demand, helping businesses to adjust their inventory levels accordingly. This predictive capability reduces the likelihood of stockouts during peak demand periods and minimizes excess inventory during slower times. Another advantage is the streamlined order fulfillment process. Automated inventory systems can integrate with order management and fulfillment software, ensuring that orders are processed quickly and accurately. When an order is placed, the system can automatically update inventory levels, generate picking lists, and even trigger replenishment orders if stock is running low. This end-to-end automation reduces manual intervention and speeds up the entire fulfillment process. Implementing automated inventory management also enhances visibility and control. Businesses can access detailed reports and analytics on inventory performance, turnover rates, and carrying costs. This information helps in identifying slow-moving products, optimizing stock levels, and reducing holding costs. While the initial setup of automated inventory systems may require an investment in software and hardware, the long-term benefits far outweigh the costs. Tools like inventory management software, automated replenishment systems, and integrated order processing platforms can transform the way businesses manage their inventory, leading to improved efficiency and profitability. Thank you for joining us today on the Business Automation Podcast. If you would like to be added to our email newsletter list and have access to free AI training and tools, please visit start.3strand.ai. Until next time, keep innovating.
In full transparency, AI was used as a tool to generate both the content for this episode and the simulated voice clone of Greg Dawson's voice. Always fact check and seek multiple sources to verify any claims made during this episode or any other.